You'll not become a millionaire until you don't master these 12 skills. And the 10th skill is must-have. 1. Communication. Effective communication is crucial. You must express your ideas clearly and negotiate effectively. 2. Sales. Learn how to sell your products or services. Persuasion and convincing people are keys to building wealth. 3. Marketing and branding. Understand how to promote your business. Create a strong brand that attracts customers and keeps them coming back. 4. Emotional intelligence. Control your emotions and understand others. It helps in negotiations, leadership, and building productive teams. 5. Product and service innovation. Constantly improve what you offer. Innovation keeps your business competitive and attracts new customers. 6. Organizing. Be organized in your work and life. This ensures you use your time and resources efficiently. 7. Goal setting and planning. Set clear goals and make detailed plans to achieve them. This keeps you focused and on track. 8. Money management. Learn to manage your finances wisely. Save, invest, and make your money work for you. 9. Philanthropy. Giving back is important. It not only helps others but also builds a positive image and connects you with influential people. 10. Networking. Build a strong network of contacts. Relationships can open doors to opportunities and partnerships. 11. Leadership. Be a good leader. Inspire and motivate your team to work towards common goals. 12. Time management. Use your time effectively. Prioritize tasks and avoid procrastination to maximize productivity.